Hey gang, I want to talk to you a little bit about the desktop Jamovi app and how to download it, how to run it, and how to get the data sets that you need into it. So let's get started here. Google and type Jamovi and you'll see a couple of options there. There's two ways of doing this. You can go into Jamovi here and click the Jamovi desktop, or inside of here, you can see Jamovi desktop download. Either one of those is fine, gets you to the same place. At that point, what you want to do is then download this. So what this is going to do is it's going to take the Jamovi file and put it in your downloads file. If you don't know where your downloads file is, that you could either write to me or you can speak with somebody else who uses computers a lot. But you've got to locate where that .exe file is, or the executable file if you're living in a Macintosh environment. You'll click download and then hit, and when it's done downloading, then you can click install. Once that's done, you should have a program in there that says Jamovi. And that will bring this up for you. Okay, let's make this a big screen. And then up here in the upper left-hand corner, you'll see 1, 2, 3 little horizontal lines. Click on that, and you want to open. And you may need to go up and down, browse to where you want to be in your computer. So in this particular case, I know my downloads file is on my D drive, and that gets me into this. And then what you want to do is to select the Jamovi file that you have. So in the Canvas file, I showed you how to download those files, but for the moment here, .omv means it's a Jamovi file. And this then brings up the Anscombe dataset for you, and you can look at the other Jamovi video to see how to then start analyzing that. For example, go into setup and make this X variable a continuous variable and go through the regressions as before. Okay, let's take a pause there and come back to Canvas land. Canvas, I've made an announcement that contains Jamovi files. We can click on that. And the .omv files are the Jamovi files. You can click this little down arrow here, and that will download these files to your particular computer. So as I showed you before, once you're playing with Jamovi, you can then come in and access, for example, we can take the personality data set. I have quite a few in the downloads file. So let's personality questionnaire. There we go. And then shows you those. So there it is. I hope this, if you have any questions, let me know.